Let's discuss the embedded tracking command. What I would like to do is to draw a circle right here, which is 4 inches over from this vertical line, and it's 2 inches up from this horizontal line. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to say circle. It says at the command prompt, specify the center point of the circle. Well, I know that I want the circle to be 4 inches over and 2 inches up from this point. So at the command prompt, I will type in TRA for tracking. I read the command prompt and it says, where is my first tracking point? My first tracking point begins at the end of this line. I'm going over and I'm dragging my hand to the right 4 inches. I type 4 and then enter. I want to go up, so I drag my hand up 2 inches, and I'm now, this point right here is right now where I want the center of the circle to be. So if I look at the command prompt, it says press enter to end tracking, so I will press enter to end tracking. You can see at the command prompt I have now returned back into the circle command, so I will type in D for diameter and 1.5 enter, and now I've put my 1.5 inch circle 4 inches over and 2 inches up from this point. I'm going to do it one more time. I go into the circle command and I read the prompt. It's asking me where the center point of the circle is going to be. I will type in TRA enter for tracking. My first analysis point will be at the end of this line. I drag my hand to the right over 4, drag my hand up, go up 2, I hit enter to say I've completed tracking. I go D for diameter, 1.5 enter, Control S to save. Let's try it another way. What I'd like to do is I'd like to move this burner so that the center of the circle is 7 inches over and 6 inches up from here. So I'm going to say move. It says what? I do my crossing, enter to say I'm done. Where is my base point? My base point will be the center of the circle. Where do I want it to go? I will type in TRA enter for tracking. My first tracking point starts at the end of this line. I go over 7 inches, drag my hand up, I go up 6, enter to say I'm done, and Control S to save. So let's do that one more time. Move, crossing, enter to say I'm done. My base point starts off at the center of the circle. Where do I want it to go? I want it to go to TRA enter for tracking. My first tracking point starts at the end of this line. I go over 7, I go up 6, enter to say I'm done, Control S to save. Tracking is an amazing command when you know where something needs to be relative to existing geometry.